This is a mini tank electric water heater, so we're going to unbox it. Check it out. It does come with some instructions. It tells you, I guess how to put it all in. 110, right? We've got a valve doohickey here. So you can see, I don't know, this probably would go, I don't know where this would go. We'll have to figure it all out. And it's got some plumber's tape. So let's set that over there. Let's take a look underneath here. There it is. Wow. Check that out. All right, here it is. Wow, that's it. That's it, right there. All right, so there's some warning signs. Over here is the electric water heater storage. It tells you the name of the company. And let's take a look on top. Some more warnings here, right? Some more warnings here. And here's cold water, usually on the right, hot water on the left. And basically that's it, man. That's your water heater right there. You just got to hook it up. Cold water here, hot water there, plug it in, and bam, Bob's your uncle. You've immediately got hot water. All right, now there's some more warnings over here. So, yeah, you're gonna have to really read up on this, because this is not going to be, here's the diagram on how the electrical goes. Some more cautions. Nothing on the bottom though. And I'm not sure what this is here, but we'll have to take a look at that and figure out what this thing is, because I'm not sure what that is. And I think that's not, this is just a design here. There it is. Oh, that goes on top. You see that? And it's 2.7 gallons. It provides hot water at point of use. Easy one-person installation, lightweight and compact. There's a little schematic of it. Here's like the setup. It says independent standalone installation, tap into cold water line, can be installed remotely without existing hot water source. Best suited for small auxiliary locations. All right, so this is probably like, for one little area that you would use it, maybe, when you're in a small apartment. Some more information on it. And here's the company right here. That's the information, how to get a hold of them, phone number, and their website. All right. Bam, Bob's your uncle. Basically, what I believe is that this is going to go in this hole here. And so your water line is going to come in. Just cold water comes into this. This has to go in there, right? So this has to be popped out, and then this screwed in. And then your your cold water comes in here, right? And then these are your out to your sink, whatever, wherever you're putting this. And then you just plug it into 110 and bam, it's done. So, it's not for a whole house. This would be for like one area maybe of the, if you have a small area that you just need some hot water in. Yeah, that's it right there. That's your intake for your, and that will go in this little spot right here. And I guess I got to pop that out. So, yeah. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to our channel and check out our other awesome videos where I show you things like this. Peace out.